What we've got here is 75,000 acres of contiguous rural area. The scale of this allows us to pull in infrastructure that reduces greenhouse emissions. I believe that we are setting the standard for how to do oil and gas for not only Colorado, but for the entire United States and possibly the globe.
When they see all this, and then yet you see the cattle on the same land, it's amazing.
The infrastructure that has come onto our ranch is something that no one in Weld County has seen. The organization, the planning, the electricity, the pipelines. Noble comes to us, what can we do to make your ranch a better place?
Running the drilling rig on highline power significantly reduces local emissions. But the long-term production of all these wells that we're drilling is going to be powered from these high lines.
Our team believes we are producing the cleanest barrel on the planet, and we'll continue to do that across this development.